Hey guys, it's Billy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm kind of going to do a Valentine's Day themed look since Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So I figured I would do like some, cute pink red look. I kind of tend to do one every year because it's my aesthetic. This is also one of the first times I'm wearing a wig to start the video instead of just putting it on at the end. But I just wanted to see what it would be like to wear a wig through the whole makeup process. I can already tell it's kind of annoying because I can see these flyaways everywhere. It's a super cute wig. I can't remember where I got it, but I'll put it right here. So yeah, basically I saw Nikki Tutorial's video with that one girl whose name I can't remember, but I will put her Instagram name right here. Do a cute little angel with clouds, and I want to kind of recreate it. Not exactly the same, but similar concept, as well as with other clouds around my face. And I also already did my foundation and my eyebrows because it's always kind of the same every single time I do my makeup, but if you are curious about what I used, I can tell you right now. So for my foundation, I just used the Fenty Beauty foundation in 120. Smashbox, the original Photo Finish primer, and the Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I also then just sprayed my face with the Smashbox water primer, the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Nova that I got out of a BoxyCharm. I put it all over my face thinking it was gonna be like the what other version of this did they have? The other kind. And there's basically just sparkles all throughout my makeup, which is fine for this look, but it's kind of funny because I was not expecting that. Can you? Yeah, you can. Isn't that hilarious? I just look like I accidentally got into a lot of glitter. I recently got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and it is literally the best thing ever. Super full coverage, and I mean, I got the lightest shade they had. It's Porcelain Beige in 8B. So that is what I used on my face, and then, wow, I completely left out my eyebrows, and then the NYX Brow Mascara in the color, I think it's just medium brown? Nope, brunette, in the color brunette. I'm going to take this Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer by Too Faced Cosmetics, and just, they smell wonderful, by the way. Ooh. But yeah, they smell super nice. Sorry you can see everything. Damn. Guys, this wig thing is gonna be hard. I already can't tell what I'm doing. How do people look? You can already see my hair. Just pretend that you can't. I'm not gonna do much bronzer because some of it will be covered anyways. This is mostly just to give my face a little shape. You are a pro if you wear a wig and do your makeup because I am getting it all in this wig. Oh my god, guys. I get flyaways. I didn't even contour my nose. I just didn't put foundation anywhere else and it's looking nice. What I really want to do is my jawline. Alright, so I want to go pretty heavy in with a blush, but I want to use an eyeshadow, NYX Ultimate palette, so I think I'm going to take the pink colors in here. Yeah, for sure. I'm going to take this really nice pink color, which appears more purple on screen. So I tied this wig back in a bun because I was tired of it being in the way while I was doing my makeup, but I still want to wear it, or at least attempt to wear it for a little bit longer before I give up and just wear my normal hair for a little bit and then put it on afterwards. Ooh. Nice. Love this as a blush. Guys, this wig is so annoying. I'm just gonna take it off for now and then I'm gonna put it back on later because it's just so itchy. Ow. stuck to my earring. Do that too. But we're gonna go in because we love the color pink. And the nose thing is just a 10 out of 10 idea. I look a little ridiculous. The Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm just going to use different variations of these 3 blues to do this eyeshadow look. So I'm just taking the darker shade and going into the crease. Wow, I did not get enough of that. I'm just packing it in. I also have the perfect flat brush for this. I normally use this for my eyebrows. This brush absolutely made this so much easier. I feel like it was a breeze just doing this. All I did was shape the brush a little bit to create these little kind of half C shapes and then filled it in. But can we talk about this gorgeous baby blue color that this eyeshadow turned out to be? So I'm going to go ahead and set this and then do my other eye. The same pink color from the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette that I used for my face. And I'm just going to use the same blue brush because why not? I really wish this palette had a mirror because I always pick it up thinking that it does. This is fun. I did not think that I would get the hang of this cloud makeup look very easily, but it actually wasn't that hard. If you have like a small enough brush, you can just go ahead. Next, I'm going to take the SUVA Beauty Hydro Liner in Space Panda. So using this really small brush worked really well for these dots as well as making small star shapes. So I tested out highlighting the cloud and I love it, so I'm going to do the other side as well and record it this time because I just wasn't sure if it was going to come out good, but yeah. And I'm sure you guys have seen this makeup trend a lot on Instagram, but I'm super excited to have finally done it because I feel like this white liner really just makes everything else pop. After trying this one, I'm definitely going to have to get all of their other colors because this is insane. Okay. So I'm just going to use the same hydro liner to do the clouds because I feel like it works really nicely, and I'm going to use the same flat brush. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna like go in. So all I did for this is take a bunch of half circle shapes, leaving a little space in between them just for later whenever I need to add shadows and more shading. And we're just going to layer the paint slowly over top of each other to give it more depth. Whenever I go to do things like this, I find it really hard to stop trying to perfect every single thing on it. So this took a while. So far so good. I'm afraid because I'm like a little out of practice of doing art, but I feel like this hydro liner is doing a lot of work for me. And for the rest of this, I just keep layering the Hydra liner up until I have to start doing the shadows. I feel very much so like Bob Ross right now. I actually really want to do one of those videos where you paint a Bob Ross painting on your face, because I feel like I have the forehead space for it, and it's totally doable. This looks so fucking good so far. So hecking good so far. I'm obsessed. I am literally obsessed with this stuff. Look how nice it is. Like, it's so pigmented. It completely went over. It's not cracking, and it's so buildable. Oh my goodness. I definitely have a little more places to go over and to shade, but I am completely loving this. Yeah. And then right at the bottom, you just kind of want to lightly tap slightly half into the white, and then just on the bottom of the pink. It kind of makes it look more 3D. Wow, sorry, it took me 12 years to say that. You just kind of want to leave the top part to be lighter, and you can go in between too and just like fill in any like little cracks you want. But yeah, all I really do is like go in behind certain things, and if it looks a little patchy, just like blend it out with your finger. Precision brush that we used earlier to do the dots. And I'm just going to kind of define top bits again. Once we went over them in pink, they get a little Beauty Creations Splash of Glitters palette. I think I'm going to take one of these colors and maybe this color as well. Obviously the pinks. Look at this, it's magical. Wow, look at me. I found it much easier to apply this glitter with my finger than with a brush in the beginning, just to build up enough of it, and then I went in with a brush to get into the small details. I am in love with this glitter. You definitely need a primer for it. I mean, I have used it alone, but if you really want it to stay for a long time, I would recommend using a primer. Sometimes I really can't stop myself from being extra and just adding too much glitter. This whole look feels very like pastel, angelic, like cutesy Valentine's Day. I'm really feeling it, and I honestly would wear this eye look way more often. So excited. I recently got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in my BoxyCharm. I've just been trying like some of like the products that were voted like some of the best, and I haven't even tried them yet. So yay me for finally doing it. Fingers crossed we get these lashes down fast though, because I want good lighting for selfies outside before it gets too dark, and then I just have to take pictures in here, which like isn't the end of the world, but still. Yeah, this mascara is nice. I know it's hard to see my lashes. You can see them from the side like that. I actually decided that I wanted to use the Forbidden Fling lashes. I'm just gonna do that really quick. I have one lash on right now, so just ignore that. I have been struggling to put this one on for a little bit, so I decided I'm just going to put my highlighter on and finish with that lash. The Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. Alright guys, well this is the final look. I ended up taking off the lipstick and just putting the Tarte lip paint over everything. And I also put just a couple rhinestones throughout my eye look and my face makeup. The only thing with these glitters is they start to crease, so they're better for inner corner stuff, but on the eyelids, can you see it? Can you see it creasing? Yeah, you can. But look at this super cute shirt. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you like. There will be many more dramatic looks in the future, as well as ASMR and other things if you're interested in that. Bye guys!